Lost in the dark place, trapped in the cross space of my mind. I get lost and I wake up in the coffin. They tell me they care, they're just in love with the music, so they'll never know about the pain I go through. It's like the chain.
Hey, what's up? This is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play Dark Place on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Let's get started. For this song, you're going to be in standard tuning with your capo on 1. This is going to sound just a little bit different from the recording, but if you play what I teach you here, you'll be able to play along to the song. So your pointer finger is going to be on the 2nd fret of the D string, and your ring finger is going to be on the 3rd fret of the B string. It's going to sound like this. You're going to want to go like... Then you're going to drop your pointer. Then you're going to take your ring finger and put it on the 3rd fret of the A string and your pointer on the 1st fret of the B string. Oops. And then lift up everything and just put your middle finger on the 2nd string. So it should sound like... So I'll play that slower for you.
Lost in the dark place, trapped in the cross space of my mind. I get lost and I wake up in the coffin. They tell me they care, they're just in love with the music, so they'll never know about the pain I go through. It's like the chain reactions of demon attacks from all the drugs that I'm taking to the women distracting me from being myself. It's like I'm losing my traction, 'cause death on the lips, I have a fatal attraction. This is my heart, watch as my problems inspire me, tear me apart, won't let the demons take over me. They took it too far, now I need some surgery, I'm falling apart. It's like I'm lost in emotion.